All right, in this problem here, we're going to be working on BE 17-8. So in this problem, we'll take a look at the difference between the plan assets and our benefits obligation that we have. So let me read through the problem real quick. So JDS Foods projected benefits obligation, accumulated benefit obligation, and plan assets were 40 million. So 40 million for the PBO, accumulated benefit obligation, the ABO is 30 million, and then we have plan assets of 25 million at the end of the year. So what, if any, pension liability must be reported in the balance sheet? All right, so that's the first question that we have. So is there a pension liability that we have? So what we have to do is we have to take a look at what is the PBO, the plan assets, and so whichever is greater. So if you remember, I said in the PBO, I think it was 40 million that we have as a part of that. So we have a benefits obligation of 40 million. Our plan assets, the first part of the problem here, is 25 million. So we have 25 million to pay 40. So we have a difference there of 15 million. That is going to be our liability. We will have that liability, that's our net pension liability that we will have. Pretty simple. You know what your PBO is, your plan assets, and then you figure out if it's liability or an asset. All right, so let's take a look at the second part of the problem here. So the second part of the problem then asks, what would JDS report if the plan assets were 45 million instead? All right, so if we were 45 million instead, I'm going to turn that around because now my plan assets are bigger. So my plan assets are 45 million. I still have my PBO at 40. All right, and so that would leave me 5. I would have 5 left over. And so then I would have a net pension asset as a part of that. So I have a net pension asset and that's an asset there of 5. So in the first part of the problem, this is what we would have because we have less plan assets. In the second part of the problem, I have more plan assets, so then I have an asset therefore. So that is 17-8, BE 17-8, and that is on page 1052. Let me know if you have any questions.